Hello students and YouTube fans out there. We were doing this experiment today. I just wanted to show some of the results from it. What we were looking at today is setting up a little experiment to look at the process of condensation and deposition. So what we had was a metal can here, and then we had a jar here. We put warm water in the jar, and then we put cold ice water solution into the can here. And then what we did is just stack these on top of each other. And we know that hot air rises. So as the warm air rises, it meets the cool air here coming off of the can with the ice water in it. And that is going to cause condensation to occur. So the condensation is the gas, water molecules that are in a gas state becoming a liquid state. And then they want to form drops of water on the side of the jar. These are just some left over. Anyways, here's one that we were working on, and it was doing such a good job that we kept it after class. I just wanted to make a video about it. So here we have the warm water, and here we have the ice cold water above. And then in the middle, that is where the warm air is rising and meeting this really cool air up here, and as a result we're getting a lot of condensation, just like what happens in the environment, in the atmosphere. And then that eventually leads to clouds and eventually leads to precipitation. Here today it was leading to a lot of condensation building up on the jar here, and this group did such a good job that they were able to reduce the temperature enough to actually get deposition to form. And deposition is like frost. So you can see this icy patch right here. And they had several icy patches around their can. And that is a process called deposition. So to get that, you got to get a temperature below zero. Here is a thermometer. We were using these thermometers also. Let's see what this is reading right now. And right now it's reading about a room temperature about 20 degrees Celsius. So we're going to put it into the ice water solution. Hold it in there for a few seconds. And when I measured it a few minutes ago, it was under zero pretty fast, under 0 degrees Celsius. So that's why it was leading to the really good deposition accumulation here. And same thing, it went down really fast again. So now we look at the reading this time. It is below zero. It's actually coming back up quickly since I put it back on the table, but when I first put it down, it was a little below zero. Let's try again real fast. And you can see it maybe on the video dropping down below zero. Yes, there it is, below zero. And then once again, we can see these good deposition samples here that have an ice feel when I touch it. And then above it, we obviously see all the condensation building up on the can. But there's some really good samples of the deposition there. Little icy patches. Anyways, that's just a good example of condensation and deposition. So hopefully you liked the video, and we'll make another one soon. Thanks, bye.